Ready to learn how to make money while you sleep? Today, we're diving into 7 ways to build passive income that can earn you up to $10,000 a month. Let's get started. So what is passive income? Imagine making money without clocking in every day. Whether you're on vacation, spending time with family, or just binge watching your favorite series, passive income keeps the cash flowing. Let's explore how you can get started. First up, real estate rentals. Think Airbnb, but on your terms. Maybe you've got a spare room or a property you could rent out. With the right setup, like comfy furniture and a clean space, you can turn that extra space into extra income. Yes, it takes some upfront work and cash, but once it's booked, you're making money with minimal effort. Plus, a full calendar of guests means more income for you. Next, let's talk high-yield savings accounts and bonds. It may sound fancy, but it's super simple. Put your money in these accounts and let the interest roll in. They're low risk, and best of all, low maintenance. Perfect if you want to earn a little something on the side with no effort. Just set it up and watch your money grow over time. Affiliate marketing. It's like recommending your favorite movie to a friend, except you get paid. All you have to do is share links to products or services on your website, blog, or social media. If someone buys through your link, cha-ching, you get a commission. Low cost, simple setup, and if you're already a social media pro, it's basically making money by doing what you're already good at. Ever thought about selling something digital? Whether it's an ebook, a recipe, a workout plan, once it's made, it's ready to sell again and again. Digital products are a goldmine because you create them once, but people can keep buying them. And you don't even need to leave the house. Investing in stocks and ETFs is another path to passive income. This one's for the long game. Think of it as planting a tree. With a few smart investments, you can watch your money grow over time. You don't need to be a Wall Street expert. Just set up a few basic investments and let the market do the heavy lifting. Here's a fun one. If you love creating videos, YouTube can actually pay you through ads. The trick? Create evergreen content that people search for again and again, like how to make the perfect pizza. That one's always popular, right? Once you've made your videos, YouTube AdSense revenue keeps rolling in for as long as people are watching. And there you have it, 7 ways to start building passive income. From rentals to stocks, there's something for everyone, no matter your budget or time commitment. So pick one, get started, and see where this journey takes you. Financial freedom is closer than you think. If you enjoyed this, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on building wealth and creating a life of freedom. Thanks for watching, over and out, and happy earning.